Hamster combat has been distracting us all from other airdrops for a while. In this video, I want to introduce you one of the best and newest airdrops with great style. And you can be one of the first to participate in. The airdrop I'm gonna talk about is called Pixeltap, which is powered by Pixelverse, and is going to distribute 10 million Pix tokens among those who participate in. And everyone's share is determined based on the points they earn in the game. There are two positive points about the mini app of this project. The first point is that this project is under the supervision of the Pixelverse. And by visiting this website, you can see its reliability and its famous partners. And the second point is that no matter how busy you are, this project will not take much of your time and you need to spend a few minutes daily to earn points. But on the other hand, if you spend more time, you will get more points. Let's talk no more and learn how to work with Pixeltap. If you haven't started this bot yet, you can use this link in the description section of this video to enter the Pixeltap bot page. This is the main page of the bot, where you earn Pix tokens. So just visit this bot every 8 hours and claim the amount of Pix mined by the application to be added to your stock. Keep it in mind that after 8 hours, this bot won't mine tokens for you, and it means that you must enter this bot every 8 hours to empty the tokens. Also, by tapping on this gold coin, you can add to your tokens. I myself don't have enough time to do and just hit claim to increase my balance. On the top left side of this page, the amount of tokens that you have earned is shown. Here is the amount for me now, and next to it there is another option and it shows the speed of automatic bot mining that you have. Let's increase this number with two methods. So I'll tell you how to increase mine power. On the top right corner of this page, you can connect your wallet to this bot, and connecting the wallet means that the reward that this project is going to give you will be deposited into this wallet, of course at the end. Here is an important point that you can only connect wallet to this bot that supports the Ethereum network. As an example here, you cannot connect Tokenkeeper to this bot. This bot itself has provided you a suggested list of wallets. But if you want to use other wallets like MetaMask, you can register the address of your MetaMask in the other section. On the top left corner of the page, our profile exists, and when you enter it, the statistics of your activity and you is appeared, and we will talk about it further. The next section that I want to talk about called invite, and when you enter it, it's explained that for each person that you invite to this bot, you will receive 2,000 tokens as a reward. If your Telegram account is premium, instead of 2,000 tokens, you will get 10,000 coins. In fact, the rewards in this game are 2-level rewards, and it means that in addition to the bonus of adding a new subcategory, whatever amount your subcategory mines, 5% of that amount will be added to your coins. And you will also receive 1% from the subcategory of your subcategories. So to send your link to your friends, just click on the purple button below, copy the link and send it to your friends. Whenever they enter to this game with this link, the prizes will be added to your profile. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, mining is not the only way to earn coins, and there are two other ways. One of them is accessible via the reward section. If you enter this section here, two options will be displayed. One is the reward section and another is the tasks. The reward section has two parts, which are similar to each other with a few differences. In the first part, which is called Daily Combo, you have to place 4 cards in order to receive the daily bonus. You can do this day by day. For each correct card, if you place it in this position, you will receive 25% of the bonus, totally 100% for 4 cards. But if the card is correct but does not fit in this position, you will receive only 10% for each card. And if the card is not correct, you will naturally lose 25% of a daily bonus for each wrong card. But don't worry, because we will give you the right cards every day and we will post the cards for you in our Telegram channel. Here are the links at the bottom of the page, and by subscribing to our channel, you can be informed about new cards every day. The second part is Daily Rewards, which is exactly like Hamster Combat and gives you a daily reward every day for playing the game, which increases it every day. The second part of this section is also the tasks, where you will receive a certain amount of coins by doing the mentioned task. For example, you will receive 30,000 coins for joining a certain Telegram channel. Well, let's go to the second method of getting coins, which is actually the most creative part of this game. Indeed, you can win or lose coins by fighting with other players here. If you enter to this fight here, a series of paths will be shown to you. At the beginning of the game, we only have one path. So if you tap on this path, then you can upgrade it. This upgrade has 2 positive aspects. One is that you can win much more easily in your battles, and another aspect that is the best one is the increasement of mining speed here. Though I told you that you can increase this number to speed up mining during 8 hours. Also, you can buy a new pet every day, which has a great impact on the speed of your mine. The more pets you buy, the more expensive they become daily. The way to fight is that you have to go to the pet you want and tap on the fight button to find an opponent. You will kill your opponent by tapping on the specified points or circles that are displayed as a circle. The faster you are in this section, the more likely you are able to win. Remember that these points move during the game to prevent cheating. The amount of bonus that will be added to you in case of winning depends on your pet level, as well as the amount of coin that will be deducted from you in case of losing the game. You might ask here that why the coins you get during the game are not added to your inventory. If you go to your profile, it'll give you good information there. For example, how many wins have you had so far? But the point of this section is how much coins did you get from this fight? These coins will be counted when this airdrop is over. Then they are going to give the rewards to the players. Indeed, the more you play, the more you can get from this airdrop. This airdrop has been introduced recently and has attracted a lot of users. Remember that Tom community has mentioned this airdrop many times, and it has potential to become a worthwhile and promising airdrop. Alright guys, I hope you have learned something valuable from this. If you have any question, please write it for us under this video in the comment section and I will answer it as soon as possible. So stay tuned, and until the next video, have a good day.